to QKR YouTube channel. Hi Ruby!
Hey QKR! Oh my goodness! My honor to be here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much for having me too. Yeah, today we have a special guest, Ruby. As you guys requested me making a content collaboration with Ruby, they got asked me like so many times. So I'm so honored to have her on my channel. And yeah, thank you very much for joining me.
I think I asked her many times. It's me bugging her.
Thank you. And today content, Ruby got something for me, so we're gonna try something like very interesting and very like unique ties, right? That's what I heard. So let's ask her.
Okay, so I brought QKR a couple pairs of vintage stockings.
Ooh, vintage. How old is it?
And they are real vintage. I think they are from 1950s.
What? Really?
50s. And let's see what they are. So they are by Ultra Sun, the box. But what is inside? Let's see.
Let's see.
You can see how distressed the box is. Super old. And we have brand new packaging. Royal purple. Seamless dress sheer. So everything here is super old. You can tell by the packaging.
I can tell it. I can tell with this how old it is with this sticker.
Yeah.
Sizing sticker.
Something is already yellowing.
Yeah.
Smells old.
Yeah, it smells old.
Smells like grandma.
I actually like this kind of a smell.
Musky.
From like
grandma.
The musky?
Smells like grandma.
I don't know, like something smells like in the very closet for a long time. You know, when you put in your clothes. Yeah.
And then in the box, there's also royal purple, real 100% stockings. Actually, 68% nylon, 32% spandex. So this is real vintage. This is. And this is a little bit thicker.
Yeah, little like rough.
Yeah, so we can try on these. We can both open a pair and see. I want to see how QKR's first impression.
Okay, let's see. So, yeah, luckily we have like the same pantyhose too, so we can try them on. Are they just ordered in the same box, the three pairs?
Yeah, I think so. Same box.
So interesting. I cannot believe it's from 1950.
Maybe older.
Older.
There's no writing, but then these style and packaging, they are either 50 or 60, like real, authentic vintage. You cannot buy them anywhere.
It's a real one, real. Yeah. But what I'm surprised with this vintage package, even though it's 1950, but the package looks pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't say it's modern, but it's more like, it's pretty good to go.
It's pretty good,
right?
I don't think it's the matching package. I'm not sure.
Okay.
But this one is. We should open it.
Sure. Let's open it up. I'm excited.
First impression. I don't think I see a lot of vintage stockings from your channel.
Yeah, not many.
Yeah, so that's why I want to see what she thinks about those.
Oh, thanks for bringing me a very fresh old new ties.
So usually, if I'm at home, I will wear gloves to handle this because they are like real old stuff and then I cannot buy them anymore. I would have pantyhose gloves. Do you have pantyhose gloves?
I do have like a latex glove, but does it count as a pantyhose glove though?
I actually have some woven.
Yeah.
They come with pantyhose glove. It is silky glove.
Very silky.
For you, especially to handle stockings and pantyhose. Yes.
I'd love to have one, but like when I need to be careful with some new ties or that what I am very precious, then I usually just using latex gloves.
Yeah, so you can see this is super sheer.
It is, and I like the smell actually. The smells like very old.
Smells like very old.
like grandma, as Ruby said. But I like that.
So from what I know, they put these into scented cedar or other nice timber chests to make the perfumey smell.
Oh, okay.
And so when the customer buy it, oh, this is luxury.
Oh, yeah, because it smells like very vintage.
Super sheer.
It is. It's super sheer and like, I don't know how many denier it is, like 8, 5 Less than that.
Maybe 8. Maybe I'm not. It didn't say here. Seamless dress sheer.
That's so cool. But also they have like heel and toe reinforced.
Yes.
Heel and toe.
So they're 3D shape.
Yeah.
Reinforced heel and toe.
Sure. Let's try this on.
Yeah.
Yay. Is that size?
Size 9.5.
9?
9.5. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big.
You're like 4 or something, right? US size. 2
Oh,
or 4.
this is foot size, I think. The 9.
Full size.
Yeah, foot
I
size.
See. All right.
All right, here we go. Vintage, and they have
I
the
also like this.
they have the print.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the print.
Do you like the print on the outside or the inside? Usually,
What is supposed to go inside? I guess it's outside, right?
I like it inside. I don't want to be so flashy. But depend on you.
Okay.
I mean on the inseam, like the inner thigh or outer thigh.
Oh, okay. I guess
doesn't matter.
I'm putting inside to inside.
Okay. Okay. Super sheer. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh.
It's so thin and so sheer. It's
like
never
nothing.
gonna cover all my imperfection on my
It is
thigh.
very sheer,
Super.
and there's not much stretch
Okay.
to it,
True.
right?
Yeah. Not at all, to be honest.
No stretch.
No stretch at all.
So that's the 100% nylon.
Ah, it is.
Is this your first time?
I think so. I mean, most of my pantyhose or stocking that I'm trying, like 90%.
Newer, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
So usually you would want to have a garter belt with these.
Yeah,
There's
with this
no
stocking.
silicone, no stay-ups.
Right.
Oh, it's coming for you, QKR.
The ambulance coming?
Can they
Or
hear?
police?
Can they hear that?
I don't think so because we're putting the mic.
Are you sure?
I'm not-
I wonder.
Let's see.
How's the foot
Yes.
size? Okay.
Foot size okay, I think. Yeah, this one's it's not even big at all. The foot size fit me very well. Yeah. How about you?
I think mine is
yours,
perfect.
yours
Mine is perfect.
too. Yeah, mine's perfect too.
Yeah.
And I really like their like really strong how do I say stitches of reinforced toe. Here.
That's old school, right?
Yeah, very like very.
Do you like reinforced toes?
I do. I do like reinforced toe better than none. How about you?
Yes, I do. A lot of the newer pantyhose, they say it's invisibly reinforced.
Yeah.
So-
What's
So they say they have.
invisible?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right.
So they say they have a stronger, durable toe, but
Yeah.
you cannot see. But then it's all about the
Right.
look.
Yeah. I mean, I like this. Like obviously, you can see the
Yes.
reinforced toe.
So what do you think?
Better. It's good. Like it's very interesting to try like 100% nylon, which I don't think I ever done it, or maybe I don't remember. But 100% nylon feels a little bit rough too, right?
Yes, that's
it's not
it,
very
yeah.
soft.
No, you.
Yeah. It's
you
like
don't.
real.
You don't want to keep doing rubbing this. This is exfoliation for your
Right.
hand. It's not soft at all compared to the newer.
Yeah, newer,
Newer
like a
pantyhose.
today's pantyhose
Yeah.
is very soft, but this one is a real, like, as Ruby said, like a very authentic 100% nylon. So it's rough, but it's very interesting.
Yeah.
And also, I feel comfortable in it. And I like the
But it's just that there's no stretch, so you can
Yeah.
feel the pull when you move. You can feel it's pulling.
Oh, right. Ah, which is minus to me because, when you move that.
And you can see the loose area with the extra
Yeah, right.
extra fabric.
Yeah, because no elasticity at all.
Yeah.
No stretch. I like that.
Cool.
You can just try it on standing up. It's a little bit loose on my thigh. You too?
Yeah. So if we walk around, it will come down.
Yeah, it will
We
come
will
down.
need garter belt for sure.
Oh my god. funny. And I like this print.
You do? It's
Yeah.
too much writing.
Oh, and also like when I'm rubbing this print, it just
Comes off?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
Look at that, like,
disintegrating.
Yeah.
It's too old.
I can see that like white powder is just going down. Yeah. Wow. Like that though. It's very interesting. And I think I love this color. Even though it's super sheer, so like not covering your imperfection at all. But as you guys know, I like the Pantyhose, the copy skin.
Ah,
Yeah.
skin-like.
Yeah, my
Little
favorite
bit-
color is like darker skin, like a tan skin.
Tan.
Skin.
Oh, yeah, this is tan.
Yeah,
this-
so I like the color. I can tell.
Cool. That's great.
Good.
I'm glad you like it and had fun.
Thank
Yes?
you. Yeah, thanks for giving me like 100% very old vintage panty. Oh, not pantyhose. Sorry, stocking.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a
Yeah, everything here is like so vintage, so old school.
so cool. It's like really like, wow. It's very old. We definitely need a garter belt or something for that.
Do you usually wear garter belt?
Not very often.
Yeah, it's too much
Sometimes.
work,
Yeah, I
right?
know. It always like. Do you know like how annoying it is? Like when you put it in like right like a front and then back, and then you know you have to go back to front.
And some come with 6 straps instead of the 4 total.
Oh.
And then people love them.
Oh.
They love
okay. So much
more.
work.
More is more. More is more.
More is more stable, but more work, right?
More.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you very much for bringing
You're
it to
welcome.
me.
You can keep this.
Yeah, thank you.
You're
Well,
welcome.
do you guys like that? Royal purple. So you guys let me know. Yeah. So I hope you guys also enjoyed trying our 1950 vintage stocking with Ruby. Thank you very much, Ruby.
Thank you, KPR. Thank
Thank
you.
Yeah. So we're done. We are see you on the next video. Bye guys.